You've got a clear vision. You know what kind of role you want and where you want it to take you. You want these kinds of jobs, working at these kinds of companies. These are in-demand roles which require in-demand skills. So the question is, can you gain those skills by taking the Masters of Business Analytics and AI from Hult? That's exactly what this program was built for. Whether you're a recent graduate, adding analytics to your second degree, or switching lanes entirely, this is your chance to become fluent in both business and data.
The program is designed to reflect how analytics works in the real world. Interconnected and fast-moving. You will work just as much on your leadership and teamwork as you will on SQL, AI strategy, and BigQuery. Most importantly, at Hult, you will learn how to bring them together by solving real business challenges set by real companies. Our faculty, we bring experiences from the likes of Wells Fargo, BCG, and AWS. So what you learn in class is built for the real world. You will be based in Boston, a city known for tech, talent, and transformation. Our campus sits on the Charles River, right in the heart of one of America's most innovative tech hubs. And because this is Hult, you'll also have the chance to rotate to other campuses, experiencing different global business cultures firsthand and growing your network.
Recent graduates have established careers at exactly the kinds of companies you want to work for. So, if you're ready to turn your vision into reality, this is the place to start. Explore the site to find out more. Hi, I'm Chase Kuster. I'm a professor of analytics at Hult International Business School. My background is creating analytical value through machine learning and AI. I used to have a dream job in data science. I ran data science for China, Indonesia, and Russia for my company. I left that role so I could be with you as a student. The reason is, true analytical value is created on the front lines of education. If I can educate you to do something that I can do, we're going to change the world.
My name is Martin Böckle, and I'm a professor for business analytics here at Hult. I finished my PhD in information systems and worked 6 years in a global consultancy.